What is it?
Eh?
What is that?
I'm guessing a church.
Yes, Louis,
Hold my hand. Tina.
Can we do a snowman like that tomorrow, please, Mummy?
We can make it. We'll try and make a snowman like that. It was a very good one, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, can we make one like that?
We can certainly try.
But have sticks for arms.